Hello and welcome to Institute of Legal and Management Studies, India's premier legal and management education portal. Get certified to enhance employability. In today's video, we will discuss about how is Chief Justice of India appointed. President Draupadi Murmu has appointed Dr. Justice D Y Chandrachud as the 50th Chief Justice of India. He will take oath on November 9, a day after incumbent CJI Justice Umesh Lalit demits office on attaining the age of 65. While Justice Lalit has a brief tenure of 74 days, Justice Chandrachud will serve as the CJI for 2 years. So, how was it decided that Justice D Y Chandrachud will be Lalit's successor and appointed the 50th Chief Justice of India? Let me explain the procedure behind the appointment of India's highest judicial post. The convention has always been that the Chief Justice of India recommends the name of his successor and the executive then approves it. The senior-most position of the Supreme Court has always been appointed as the CJI. India works on the 3 tiers of the judicial system: the Supreme Court, the High Court and the subordinate courts. In the Constitution of India, Article 124 states that there shall be Supreme Court of India consisting of Chief Justice of India, and until Parliament by law prescribes a larger number of not more than 7 other judges. It is mentioned in Article 124 that appointment by the President is to be done after consultation with judges of the Supreme Court as the President may deem necessary. Article 217, which deals with the appointment of High Court judges, says the President should consult the CJI, Governor and Chief Justice of the High Court concerned. Further, the tenure of CJI is until they attain the age of 65 years, while High Court judges retire at 62 years. Let us look at what happens after the CJI sends his recommendation. As per the process laid down in the Memorandum of Procedure, after receipt of the recommendation of the Chief Justice of India, the Union Minister of Law, Justice and Company Affairs will put up the recommendation to the Prime Minister, who will advise the President in the matter of appointment. Next, on what basis does the Chief Justice of India recommend a successor? The Memorandum of Procedure says that the appointment to the office of the Chief Justice of India should be of the senior-most judge of the Supreme Court considered fit to hold the office. Even before the MOP was agreed upon, the senior-most judge of the Supreme Court after the CJI in terms of the years served was by convention elevated to the top post. This convention was famously discarded by former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, whose government recommended the appointment of Justice A.N. Rai as CJI in 1973, superseding 3 more senior judges, Justices J.M. Shelat, K.S. Hegde and A.N. Grover. Justice Rai was considered more favorably disposed towards Indira Gandhi's regime than the other judges. Let us look at what is the Memorandum of Procedure. The Memorandum of Procedure is the playbook agreed upon by the government and the judiciary on the appointment of judges. It is a crucial document because the collegium system of appointing judges is a judicial innovation that is not mandated through legislation or text of the Constitution. The Memorandum of Procedure was first drawn up in 1999. It was renegotiated in 2016 following the Supreme Court's decision to strike down in 2015 the constitutional amendment that brought in the National Judicial Appointments Commission that sought to change the system of appointments and give the government a foot in the door. While the governments and the Supreme Court continue to disagree on a few clauses, the rest of the Memorandum of Procedure is generally agreed upon by both sides. Let's understand who can be a CJI. Apart from being an Indian citizen, the person must A. have been for at least 5 years a judge of a High Court or of 2 or more such courts in succession, or B. have been for at least 10 years an advocate of a High Court or of 2 or more such courts in succession, or C. be in the opinion of the President a distinguished jurist. With this video comes to an end. Visit Institute of Legal and Management Studies for various courses from contract drafting, RTI, labor law, GST and more. Get certified to enhance employability. Or you can contact the given details for more information. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day ahead.